Hi guys, many of you requested how to delete Instagram account permanently. So, today we will show you how to temporarily disable your account and permanently deleting your account. Let's get started. If you temporarily disable your account, your profile, photos, comments, and likes will be hidden until you reactivate it by logging back in. You can only disable your Instagram account from a computer or mobile browser. To temporarily disable your account, log into Instagram.com from a computer. You can't temporarily disable your account from within the Instagram app. Go to your profile, and then click Edit Profile. Scroll down, then click Temporarily Disable My Account in the bottom right. Select an option from the drop-down menu next to Why are you disabling your account? And re-enter your password. The option to disable your account will only appear after you've selected a reason from the menu and entered your password. Now, click Temporarily Disable Account. Your account will be disabled for 14 days. Within this period you can re-sign in any time. Now how do I delete Instagram account? When you delete your account, your profile, photos, videos, comments, likes and followers will be permanently removed. After your account is deleted, you can't sign up again with the same username or add that username to another account. Before deleting your account, you may want to log in and download a copy of your information, like your photos and posts, from Instagram. After your account has been deleted, you will not have access to Instagram's data download tool. Now, first log into your account from web browser, in computer, or your phone. Now, copy and paste this link from description box to your address bar. Now select an option from the drop-down menu next to Why are you deleting your account? And re-enter your password. Now you can click on Permanently Delete My Account button. Now your account will be permanently deleted. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and press the bell icon. Thanks for watching.